Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. Overall, GameStop not doing too much, kind of chopping sideways after we got this big correction here from the bond offering. So, really, we're kind of into like a double dip buy area, just trying to hold. Now, I'm looking at it and I was checking the after hours too on the smaller time frames to see if we got any crazy wicks or anything like that. Not really. And to be honest, I can actually make like some sort of like three. You could make it three swing down for a more complex correction, or you could just leave it at it as is right now in the cash market hours, right? The cash hours, and you can make some sort of impulse, right? Make some sort of impulse. And if it is an impulse in the C, then you're looking at another leg down on the smaller time frames, right? To kind of take out this low and to also erase divergence even further on the daily, because that's what we want. If you are going to drop the price, I think you need to erase divergence again to really complete this C. And it could be in, right? We already have some early signs that we have some dip buy signals on the daily, right? That green dot on market cipher. Money flow is still stable. 4-hour time frame. It's kind of whipping in and out of green and red right now. And the 1 hour, still a little bit of red, but it's trying. It's trying to get out of this rut here. So we may see a pop in GameStop here sooner than later. But if it ends up being a three swing move, right? Just want to give you guys like a short-term target. Very small, very short. If it does end up being three swings, then you're looking for a target of like something like 24.84 to 26.32. And if we're able to exceed this and confirm a 5-wave up instead of a 3-wave move up, then this would be very bullish and the low would be in. So that's what we're looking for to confirm the low, is an impulse off the lows. What we don't want is this, and it's going to do that, and you're going to get another leg lower, right? And that's what we don't want, because we want this correction to be over with. And again, obviously, if it does dip down like that, then whatever, so be it. And we get another opportunity to pick up some more cheap GameStop, in my opinion. But as long as it erases divergence on the daily. When we take a look at GameStop, like we just checked the market cipher chart on a couple time frames. Well, to take a look at the weekly, because the weekly is a 14 and -4. The monthly is about to end in 5 days and 17 hours. So time's a flying, and we really want to see how this month is going to close. Because right now, we closed last month bullish. This month we're going to kind of close like neutral to more leaning a little bit more bearish now. Still bullish, but not as bullish on the dual band strength. And we still got green money flow. So just kind of chopping here, not doing too much. Now the markets are kind of trying to like break out. I mean, the Nasdaq made a new all-time high today, and I mean that's pretty much it. You saw oil pull back, lots of news going around, up and down, whipsaw in the market. So it's kind of, I feel like if the markets are going to break higher, then rising tide lifts all boats, and GameStop will probably benefit from that as well. Daily time frame, you got a green cross right yesterday on Monday. Now we're Tuesday, so I'm just doing the video now. So Tuesday, we're kind of moving up a bit, 2%. Obviously not the biggest of moves, but still trying to trend upwards. Another sign too that maybe GameStop is bottoming out is that Bitcoin got a very nice a correction towards the downside here in a 3-swing move. You erase divergence on the 4-hour, and now you've broken out, right, out of the 4-hour cycle, and you've confirmed 5 swings off the lows. You've confirmed it right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 by just taking out this peak. So this right here, this short area for a 3-swing move would not be valid, right? So it would not be valid. And again, I took a small short here on Bitcoin, and I closed it out right away We didn't see any follow through, so I had a feeling that it was going to do something like this. Now we're looking for a pullback in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pulls back, maybe the markets pull back, right? But that's not. There's no saying that it is going to do that right here, right now. It could easily continue to grind higher to like 108. Take out this peak. We already kind of took out this peak here. Took out that liquidity at 106. So if it wants to grind higher, you have 109, right? Take out that liquidity, and then you can come back down. Maybe that's a sign that GameStop is in for some more chop and maybe one more pullback and then one more low. But again, I can't guarantee you that, and I don't know that. So again, I'm still accumulating when we get these small dips. But I always post my buys. I always let you guys know. I always post my buys when I buy on the same day, except for that one day I posted like a few days later. But even then, you could have gotten the same price of where I bought from this dip because it's like right around 22 something. And I think if we do get 3 swings, then we're gonna get one more low, and that should be it. But we'll see. We'll see. Time will tell. We just gotta be patient here, and wait to see what the charts are gonna do tomorrow. There's no need in trying to rush things. Right? Just gotta be patient. And yeah, that's it. I don't have any much else to update. It's kind of hard to give big detailed updates when the price doesn't do too much. Okay, peace.